During World War II, the U.S. government selected this location in West Harrisville for a massive defense depot. They said this location was ideal because it was centrally located north and south, east and west in America. It was a military town in itself, with soldiers' barracks, a church, a library, a theater, hobby shop, but most notably it housed thousands of Italian and German prisoners of war. The Germans were housed over there in a higher security area, and the Italians were housed over here nearer to the town. Local residents remember befriending the Italian POWs. Gary Larson was just a boy during World War II, but he remembers they would call him over, he would climb under the fence, and the soldiers would give him toys they had carved. They'd give him vegetables from their garden to take home to his family. Local women were often hired as guards. With war dogs as partners, they patrolled the whole of the defense depot day and night, working for weeks without any days off. Now it's all the Weber County Fairgrounds, but some of the original Defense Depot buildings are still in use.